thank you for watching Go Make It Yourself. This is the Texas Radical, and we're going to fry up some avocados and make fried avocado tacos. There are 4 parts to this guy: the slaw, the rooster sauce, the fried avocados, and a tortilla. Whatever kind you want is fine. The slaw is made from purple cabbage, grated carrots, and roughly chopped cilantro, which we here in the Montrose call cilantros. Now set that aside. Squeeze the juice out of a lime in a separate bowl. Add equal parts rice wine vinegar. I know I used apple cider vinegar in the video, but rice wine vinegar is better. Add a little chunk of jalapeno, then double what you got there in size with soy sauce. Now add a little dab of sesame oil and you're done. You gotta keep them separated. You gotta keep them separated. Rooster mayo. I don't even know why things this easy have recipes. It's just mayo, smoked paprika, and sriracha. Mix it around, put it in a bag. The trick is to fold the ends of the bag over so it's not messy. Now, let's bread the avocados. I've got my 3 bowls out. I let the coconut milk come to room temperature. 1 bowl has rice flour. You can use regular flour if you like, but I think rice flour is crispier. Then we'll have a spiced cornmeal mix on the other side. That's going to be paprika, garlic powder, mustard powder, salt, and pepper. Take a nice avocado. It doesn't have to be especially firm or anything. Just choose avocados that you would want to eat raw. It's important to dust off the avocados after they go into the rice flour and the coconut milk. You want it lightly coated, not clumping. I like to store the avocados in the cornmeal. You can refrigerate these overnight. If you're making these for a party, you can stop at this point and refrigerate everything we just prepped, including the breaded avocados. Now let's heat up some peanut oil. When you drop a little cornmeal into the oil, it should fizzle for rizzle. That's how you know you're going to have a nice crunchy, crustity crust. I use raw corn tortillas for a perfect bubble effect every time. Start with a hot tortilla and add some rooster sauce. At home, you can just lay it on with a spoon, but hey, we're on camera here. Put some hot avocado wedges, a little slaw, yum. Oh, God, I forgot how good these are. Fried avocado tacos, y'all.